sa loob at bibili ng pagkain siguro. Ayun, pagkain ng anak ko. Alam mo naman. Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Right, and it's going to be theater 14.
Okay.
It's gonna be that way.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we will buy foods. Yeah. Bibili muna tayo. Bibili ba kayo? Hindi. Tapos lang natin kumain.
Ay, tayo pagtuko sa tanangan. Ang popcorn tayo.
Bibili daw sila ng popcorn. Yung isang timba na popcorn. Doon na tayo. Wala naman linya ito. Dito na tayo. Oh. Okay, dito tayo bibili. What do you want, Marco? Popcorn only? Are you still full?
Yeah, mga nakaka-popcorn tangkang popcorn.
Okay, popcorn please. What do you want? Large or regular?
Regular. Regular?
No, regular? You don't want
How big is the regular?
the one, the bag.
Let me see.
The bag.
The bag only? On the bucket. Okay, just the large.
Large. Anything else?
And then drinks, what do you want to drinks?
2 drinks.
No drinks?
Yeah, what do you want?
Just give us a 2.
I'll just have a drink.
Yeah, what kind of drinks?
Regular and large.
Zero?
Yes.
Okay, 2 0.
This is regular, this is large.
Yes. Oh, that one.
This small one, that is too big. Yeah.
You want a regular?
Yeah.
How many?
How many you like?
2.
2.
Is that gonna be on me?
Diet please. Yeah. 2 and then that one, okay.
I'll have a drink myself. 2 drinks and 1 large popcorn?
Yes.
Okay.
No, that 1 popcorn and 2 drinks.
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll be $25.69.
Okay.
Right there, number's ready.
Dito kwartam, tayo ba?
Super data
Would you like a
data.
receipt?
Yes, please. Okay, okay. Thank you. Okay.
Good one.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Dito kami kukuha ng inumin. Kahit isa lang sanang binili natin eh. Kasi dito, pwede kang maglagay dito eh. Ayan. Okay na kung get your soda here ni. Diet, that one. Diet. That's enough. You fill it all. Okay.
Do you have ice with that?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, you put on ice. Okay. You put ice? Okay. And then, what Coke do you want? Diet.
That. Ako to siya gaganon naman. Yung popcorn to, wala ang
Of
dan.
course. Nay na po noon. Naglupyasin. Get a cover and that's it. Okay. Pasok na tayo sa loob. At lamon na ulit. Bye-bye mga katigang. Kukuha ng cover. At kukuha ng maraming tissue. Ano ba ito mga ito? Wala hindi natin. Oh, ito salt for the crushed pepper for the popcorn. Ano ito? Salt and pepper o salt. Okay. Bye-bye na mga katigs.